Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a pot de creme or a chocolate pudding recipe. Today's episode is being sponsored by Angostura Bitters. So let's jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy this is to put together. We're starting in a saucepan. I'm adding in my heavy cream. Next goes in some whole milk. And we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once the milk is hot, add in your chocolate. I like using milk chocolate. You can use any type of chocolate you like here. You want to mix it well and make sure that it dissolves. Once the chocolate has been dissolved, I'm going to go in with some instant coffee and I'm going to mix that in. Once your coffee dissolves, go ahead and set this aside, let it cool down slightly. For the second part of this recipe, you're going to put 5 large egg yolks into your bowl. Add in sugar, vanilla, and you're going to whip or beat this until it's light pale in color. So you're looking for light yellow color, guys. Now I'm going to add in this Angostura aromatic cocoa bitters. This cocoa bitters is made from the Trinitario cocoa and it adds a nice nutty floral note to this recipe. I'm also adding in some of the orange Angostura bitters, which the orange adds the citrus orange zest flavor for those of you who love that type of taste. So give this a good mix and then take 1 ladle and pour it into your egg mixture. We're going to temper this mixture, so you want to add a little at a time so you don't scramble it. Go in with another ladle and keep mixing. And once you've tempered it, you can go ahead now and add in the rest of the chocolate mixture. So once you put both sets of ingredients together, give it one more whisk, and then we're going to strain this to make sure we have a nice smooth texture. And you want to fill them about 3/4 of the way up. Remember, we still need to put our whipped topping. Look how amazing that looks, and it smells absolutely amazing. Just imagine when it's baked. To this, I'm adding in my water bath. So I'm adding in my hot water and bringing it up to about half of the way up on the ramekins. It goes into my oven to bake 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until it's set. Once they're done and they don't jiggle in the middle, you know that they're set and they're ready. So all you have to do is cool them down and then place them in your refrigerator overnight or for a couple of hours to chill. While they're chilling, let's make the whipped cream. So to make this infused whipped cream, we're going in with heavy cream in our bowl. And if you don't have heavy cream, you can use table cream or media cream. In goes my icing or powdered sugar, and we're going to mix and whip both ingredients until it's firm peaks. So once it's nice and firm like this, we're going to go ahead and add in some of that Angostura Cocoa bitters. This is going to take this whipped cream up another notch. So I'm going in with a couple dashes of that and I'm going to mix that in. Now if you wanted a citrus orange zest flavor, go in with some of the orange bitters in the whipped cream for that citrus element. Mix, taste it, adjust it, and then all you have to do is pipe it on your pot de cremes. When you taste this whipped cream, you will ask yourself, why have I never tried this before? Shave some chocolate over the top for garnish, and then it's ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It's a really luxurious and a really fancy dessert you can make. If you make this recipe, comment down below and let me know what you think. Remember, all of Angostura bitters, Cocoa Orange and Original, they are all available at Walmart. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!